Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure eToro tax reports for US investors, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your eToro account. Navigate to the Portfolio tab located on the left side of the screen. Once in the Portfolio section, look for the History button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the History button to access your transaction history. You will see a list of all your trades and transactions. Select the date range for which you need the tax report. Use the filters to select the starting and ending dates you want. After setting the date range, look for the Export option. Click on the Export button to download your trading history. Choose the format that best suits your needs, typically CSV or PDF is preferred. Open the downloaded file to review your transactions. Next, gather information on your tax obligations as a U.S. investor. Consult IRS guidelines on reporting capital gains and losses. Calculate your profits and losses based on the transactions listed in your report. If needed, use a tax software or consult a tax professional for assistance. Ensure you have necessary additional documents, such as Form 8949. Input your information accurately when filing your tax return. Finally, keep a record of your eToro tax report for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.